Hey guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have here in front of you, this is what is called a tube broom. This tube broom is a FFC part number 019317, and that fits a 72-inch FFC Preparater. I hold no rights to the Preparator. I am an FFC dealer. I actually get this brush from the manufacturer that builds it for them. So this is the OE brush at a lot less money. FFC for this unit, I think retail one is $2,000, which in my opinion is ridiculous, but that's the world we live in today. But I do have these available in the following part numbers, and it will fit FF style preparators. 01-9317 is for a 72 inch, and 019316 is a 62 inch, and an 019315 is for the old series 50-inch preparator that they made. Now, are you questioning? Well, my preparator is a 76-inch. That's correct. They call it a 76-inch. The drum will be 76-inch. It uses a 72-inch broom. So this is the same exact unit. Will come in the same exact box. You get it from FFC, made right here proudly in the United States. Not some cheap China junk. It is a one-piece continual wrapped broom core. So, if you need this or have any other needs for broom brushes, broom wafers, we can help you out. Give us a call, 814-658-3066. Thanks for calling Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.